Hi friends, welcome back in our series of CMD tips and tricks. In previous video we saw how to change the color of command prompt. Today in this video we will know two CMD tricks. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. First trick is color to parrot.live. Now we will know second CMD trick, that is color to and curd ascii.live forest. This will show you a running man. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.